Hello, and welcome to another BridgePay training. I'm Tim Taylor, Partner Alliances Representative at BridgePay Network. Today we'll be covering the installation and setup process for the PayGuardian desktop application for merchants who are using Tyler Technologies. First, we will navigate to the BridgePay knowledge base and download the newest version of PayGuardian. The link to our knowledge base will be in the description of this video. Now, open the file that was downloaded to start the install process. You can do this through the browser or in your download folder on your computer. You may be prompted to download your terminal driver first. If you are, please select your specific terminal type from the screen and install the drivers as needed. Now, you need to follow the installation steps in the PayGuardian Setup Wizard. On the first page, click Next. Accept the end user license agreement. Either select an installation folder or keep the default for program files. I will choose the default folder in this tutorial. Next, click Install. Do not click to install the RMS plugin. This will be covered in a separate video. The PayGuardian application will now install on your computer. Once completed, you want to click Finish and launch the PayGuardian application. A screen will open for you to register PayGuardian Desktop. You must enter all the required fields to continue. Your registration key should be provided by your Tyler Technologies representative. Once all is entered, select Activate. At this point, you will need to create a login that you will use to access the PayGuardian application. Enter in all of the required information and select Register. You have successfully registered at this point. Now, log in with the username and password you just created. You are now in the PayGuardian desktop application. It's time to connect this application to your merchant account. Select Payment Server at the top of the page. Select Add Account. On this screen, you must enter the username and password of the MyBridgePay user created to integrate your PayGuardian application to the MyBridgePay gateway. These credentials can be accessed by your Tyler Technologies representative. Once you've entered the MyBridgePay user credentials, click OK. You will see a successful message. Click OK. Now we want to make sure everything is connected and working. Select the Test Connection icon in the middle of the payment server screen. You should see a Test Passed message. This means you're ready to process transactions through the PayGuardian desktop application. And this ends our tutorial.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.